Good morning, student of Standard 10 CBSE board. You studied lesson 1 and today I am going to teach you lesson 2, control and coordination. The changes in the environment to which organisms respond and react, that is called stimuli. Singular stimulus. For example, when a man touch a very hot utensil, or we are going to touch very hot utensil, that accidentally, that time, we quickly moves our hand away from that hot utensil. The heat is stimulus, and the reaction means the movement of hand, that is away from that hot utensil, that reaction, that respond to that stimuli, about it. This is respond against that stimulus. Mean heat is stimulus here. Animal can react to stimuli in many different ways, because they have the system, they have a nervous system, and that nervous system, endocrine system, involving hormones, but the organ should cooperate with one another to provide a proper reaction to the stimulus. Thus, the working together of various organs, of an organ is a systematic manner to produce a proper reaction to any stimulus. This is called coordination. You can see movement of mimosa plant, leaves of mimosa plant, and movement of dog in picture. Okay? See, control and coordination are not much developed in plant because they lack a nervous system. Plants have no nervous system. Plants are rooted to the soil, you all know about it. So they do not move one place to another place. Like animal can move one place to another place, but plant cannot. In plants, movement are in the form of bending, twisting, and elongation, etc. of certain part. Plant totally not move one place to another place or going one place to another place, but animal can move one place to another place. You all. Topic is control and coordination in plant. In plants, the control system is not as developed as animals. They also do not have a structure comparable to neurons like in animals of the nervous system. Nervous system in plant is totally absent. Plant have no nervous system. However, plant respond to light, touch, gravitational force, and another stimuli growth and movement in plant, controlled by both by external and by internal factors. The external factors include temperature, light, oxygen. The internal factor affecting growth are genetic constitution and hormones. So I am going to teach you about plants hormone. Plants hormone, the function of control and coordination in plants is performed by chemical substances known as plant hormone. That chemical substances by which plant control, that is called hormone, or you can say phytohormone. Phytohormones. Phyto means plants. Phyto means plant. And hormone means hormone. These are also called plant growth hormones. Plant growth hormone is by cell division. By cell enlargement and cell differentiation. Plants hormone control dormancy and opening or shutting of stomata, falling of leaves, fruits, and growth and ripening and aging of plants. Phytohormones are of 4 different types. Say auxin, number 1, number 2 zeberlin, number 3 cytokinin, and number 4 abscisic acid. These are 4 type of hormone which are present in plant. Okay, see today's homework. You will write about types of plant hormone and control and coordination about plant. And question number 3, you will learn spellings of these hormones and draw mimosa plant. Okay.